Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could be the best wired earbuds in pink on the market, the LUDOS FEROX wired earbuds. If you've been searching for affordable, durable, and stylish earbuds that don't compromise on sound quality, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's explore everything these earbuds have to offer. First off, the LUDOS FEROX earbuds come with a classic 3.5mm jack, making them compatible with a wide range of devices. From iPhones and Samsung smartphones to laptops, tablets, and even gaming consoles. Whether you're using an older iPhone with a lightning adapter or a laptop with a headphone port, these earbuds plug right in and deliver a reliable connection without the hassle of charging or wireless pairing. One of the standout features of these earbuds is their build quality. They are crafted using thermoplastic elastomer, which means they're flexible yet sturdy enough to handle everyday use. The cables are designed to be tangle-free, helping you avoid those frustrating knots when you're in a hurry. Plus, they come with a protective case, which is super handy for keeping them safe and organized on the go. Comfort is key when it comes to earbuds, and LUDOS has paid attention here as well. These earbuds feature rounded tips that fit snugly into your ears without causing discomfort, even after extended listening sessions. They're lightweight and designed to stay put, which makes them great for everything from casual music listening to long conference calls or online classes. Now let's talk about sound. The LUDOS FEROX wired earbuds boast dynamic drivers that deliver clear and balanced audio. You'll enjoy crisp highs, well-defined mids, and a bass response that's impressive for this price range. While they don't completely block out external noise, the earbuds offer enough noise isolation to let you focus on your music or calls without losing awareness of your surroundings, a nice safety feature especially if you're using them outdoors. Another big plus is the built-in microphone and call control button. This allows you to seamlessly switch between listening to music and taking calls without needing to pull out your device. The controls are simple and responsive, offering a great hands-free experience whether you're on a Zoom call, gaming with friends, or chatting on the phone. What really sets these earbuds apart is the 5-year warranty offered by LUDOS. This shows a strong confidence in their product's durability and gives buyers peace of mind knowing that support is available around the clock should any issues arise. The pink color option is vibrant and fun without being too flashy. It adds a stylish touch for those who want their tech accessories to reflect a bit of personality. The earbuds come in a compact, travel-friendly case that complements this aesthetic, making it easy to carry them anywhere. In terms of size, these earbuds have been designed to fit a broad range of ear shapes, though they are particularly comfortable for smaller to medium ears. They strike a good balance between staying securely in place and offering a gentle fit that won't irritate sensitive ears. To sum it up, the LUDOS FEROX wired earbuds offer an impressive package: great sound, sturdy build, comfortable fit, reliable wired connection, and an attractive design with the bonus of a 5-year warranty. They are an excellent choice for anyone looking for affordable wired earbuds that don't compromise on quality or style. If you want dependable earbuds that you can use for work, school, gaming, or just relaxing with your favorite music, and if you love the pink look, these might just be your new favorite pair. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews. Catch you in the next video.